Looking for a dinner that's hot and ready in 30 minutes or less? Walk this way. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to stir-fry like a rock star and enjoy this fresh, fast meal in minutes. Shrimp and asparagus stir-fry. Stir-frying is a great cooking method for balanced nutrition and feeding the entire family. Plus, it's a convenient way to get a colorful mix of veggies in your diet. Start by heating up a little oil in a wok over medium-high heat. I've patted dry about a pound of large shrimp. These are peeled and deveined already, which I like having done for me. I'm going to stir-fry those for a couple of minutes until they're nice and pink. Now I'm adding my veggies. For another time saver, I'm using Hy-Vee shortcuts so everything is already prepped. Here I have some lemon and garlic marinated asparagus. Asparagus will amplify the vitamins and minerals. After a couple minutes, I'll add in some cherry tomatoes. Here comes some authentic Asian flavors you're gonna love. Add in 3 tablespoons of ponzu citrus sauce, then a squeeze of refrigerated lemongrass paste to the wok. Ponzu sauce is soy-based with a kick of citrus, and lemongrass paste also adds a punch of fresh citrus flavor and fragrance. You can find the lemongrass paste refrigerated in Hy-Vee's produce department. Give it all a good stir and get everything warmed through. Then you can serve it up over what I like to call a power base. Maybe some quinoa for added protein, brown rice for whole grains, or rice cauliflower for one more veggie. All have great nutritional benefits. And that's it. You're an authentic Wok Star. Find this recipe and other rockin' stir-fry ideas in Hy-Vee Seasons magazine or on Hy-Vee.com. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, ask your local Hy-Vee dietitian.